Delhi police personnel are at the chief minister's residence. Earlier, they were there to recreate the crime scene. Swati Maliwal was also with the cops when the crime scene was being recreated at the chief minister's residence. And the cops are back again at the CM's residence. We'll try and connect with the reporters to get you more details on why the cops are back at the chief minister's residence. Amidst all this, we've also accessed the MLC report, which talks about 2 visible injuries on the body of Swati Maliwal. On one hand, the Aam Aadmi Party is relying on the CCTV footage, saying that Swati can be seen walking out normally after the incident. She was escorted out of the chief minister's residence. She's seen normally standing there, walking and talking to the security personnel. On the other hand, the MLC report says there are visible signs of injury on her body. Tetri is getting us more details. Tetri, what's happening at the CM's residence?
And it is important development because the chief minister is also inside his residence, and perhaps it is for the first time when chief minister is inside, and Delhi police has also reached inside for the investigation. Yesterday also remember that Delhi police and FSL team along with Swati Maliwal had reached Delhi police residence. So yes, this is a big development coming in from here, from where we are reporting right now. But the team of Delhi police has reached inside the chief minister's residence. In a short while, we will be showing you, if you can see in the frame. Here, if you can see in the frame, this is the residence of Arvind Kejriwal, where Delhi police has reached. We are showing you.
Right, Tetri, we can see some officials standing outside. Have they been allowed inside?
Have been allowed inside. BG will show you the frame. Balkishan is showing you the frame. You can see the Delhi police team from this particular gate. And here, the Delhi police team, this is not for the first time that they have reached. It is not for the first time that Delhi police team has reached. Yesterday also a team of police had reached over here, along with FSL had reached over here, along with FSL and Swati Maliwal over here. But let me show you that this is the particular area from where we can see that in the second video, Swati Maliwal could be seen walking out from this particular area, and the cops were standing over here. 112, when Swati Maliwal dialed 112, that point of time, the Delhi police was standing over here, and the security officials of CM residence were asking her to leave from this area. She left from this particular area. So this particular area will also be monitored. And now it is important because at this point of time, Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal is inside the Chief Minister's residence, is inside at his own residence, and police will also be investigating so as to who all were present at that point of time when this entire incident took place, from family members to security to staff, because the video first that was released, in that video we could also see that there were few security guards present at that point of time. And here you see the deployment, the security deployment is also increasing over here. Seems like there could be some kind of movement over here inside the Chief Minister's residence. Seems to be a big development, could be unfolding at any point of time from now. Investigation is taking its own investigation is unfolding as the days are passing by. FIR report has been exchanged. Now MLC report has come out. And now here you see the team of Delhi police who has reached. What we are being told is that additional DCP North has reached Chief Minister's residence. So certainly there is this big development because senior officials from Delhi police are reaching over here. They will be, there is a possibility, you know, that they can also
Chief Minister's residence once again. Let me bring in Priyank as well. What are the cops looking for this time?
See, Swati, it's quite evident that the Delhi police has got some kind of tip-off regarding Vibhav could be inside the residence of Delhi Chief Minister. That's why the additional DCP can be seen right on the office area, the camp office area. She is not going inside. The police officials who are in the CM security have been talking to Ajanta who's the additional DCP of North. In the visuals, you can quite clearly see that the Delhi police team, the senior officials, are right now talking to all those Delhi police security wing officials who are there. Yesterday, there was a recreation of crime scene. But what sources have been suggesting that once Raghav Chadha has entered, there is a high possibility that Vibhav could also be inside the CM's residence. And for that, the Delhi police is checking the situation on the ground.